Hi guys, I'm Nikhil Chavla from the Unbiased blog and we are at the Auto Expo 2018, the largest motor show in Asia. And we are here to cover a lot of vehicles, a lot of technology, and to do that I'm using a special smartphone, the Nokia 8. And I'm using it because I'll be doing a lot of live videos. It has a special feature called Bothie, which lets me do a video with both the cameras on at the same time. So I can simulcast both the cameras, and it makes more sense when you're watching it because you can see both sides of the story. And for that special reason, I'll be using the Nokia. So let's go ahead and unbox this device. Hi guys, as promised, I'm at the Auto Expo right now and I'm using obviously the Nokia 8 with the Bothie feature because you can see both sides of the story. And I'm sorry I couldn't make it live. Blame it to the network, blame it to the terrible network here. And it's always the case when you have a lot of people around, you know, the network goes for a toss, and this is no exception. But it's alright, I'm recording this video so that I can show you guys what I saw. And what I'm gonna do is like brush past through a few booths, like the major manufacturers that come in this row. And I'm gonna show you all what it looks like. I'm not gonna stop at every place, every nook and corner of the booth because that will be a 24-hour video. I don't want you to like watch that because I can't watch it personally. So what I'm gonna do is like brush past through most of the booths which are important in this expo. Like right now we are at the Hyundai booth, and this like the old cars like Hyundai Grand i10 is already there, the Creta, the Eons. What I'm gonna show you is like something that is new because we have all seen those cars on the road. Let's not waste time on that. And I'm hoping that you're able to hear me because this is the only phone I can trust right now, because this is the Nokia and Nokia 8, and which has Ozo mics in it which can record 3 surround audio. And if I was another phone I would have never relied on it, but with the Nokia I can trust on it, and I'm gonna do that. So this is the new Elite i20, and the front is not that of drastic change. But yes, you can see the new headlamps, the DRL screen, the fog lamps also, and you can see the new color. It's really happy, the orange color, the fiery orange, or I don't know the exact name of it, but it looks very good. And especially on the side, if you notice, there are new alloy wheels. The side mirrors are a little different, and these alloy wheels look really, really nice. What the change is exactly is the back. This is a completely new back for an i20. This is the Elite i20. Very muscular, I would say, and gives you a feel of a very compact SUV from the back. If you see those curves and the dual tone bumper, look really fab. These are the new lights, new dual tone bumper. A lot of changes in the interior because I was just at the meet where they were doing this media and they showcase what all the changes are. So a lot of first in the segment again from Hyundai. As you can see, dual tone interiors also. If there's orange on the back, on the outside, it's on the seats also, and also on the vents, the little trims on the vents, and the roof is black, so it's like a combination of two colors, which is really sexy looking right now. And in terms of, you know, the rear armrest is now with cup holders, a lot of other additions in terms of the features on this car. But you know more about it, we'll keep adding the text so you can see it. Now this is where a lot of things happen during specific intervals. These robots which actually manufacture the Hyundai cars are here from the Chennai plant, and they're not just doing welding over here, but they're also doing dance and a lot of other things. From time to time, we don't have the time right to wait for it. They pick up the flag, they wave the flag, a lot of other things happen when they do that. And they also throw gifts to people, so that interests a lot of people. That's interesting. So this is the car that I want you all to see. This is the Ioniq Electric from Hyundai, and this is the electric bed from Hyundai, and they're showing it here because India is going gung-ho about going electric and no petrol, no diesel cars, and that's how we want to clean our air. So this is how the car looks interesting, and typical Hyundai lights and front, but it's an electric car. And I know when it will launch, what the pricing will be, but this is the car that is the showcase over here in terms of future, in terms of how it will perform and how the future from Hyundai would look like. Electric, how the car would be charged. exactly where we put our petrol and diesel right now. So this is where the electric thing will go in, and that's the electric charging station right there. So once we have the infrastructure for electric cars and these charging stations are there, I think this will be the car to look for. This is the Ioniq and Ioniq Electric by Hyundai electric car. This is the Ioniq Hybrid, which means it runs on both fuels, electric and the other fuel that we already have. So this is more likely to come sooner than the all-electric one, because all-electric is a dream right now for Indian people, because we don't have that infrastructure. We don't have those charging stations where we can just simply buy an electric car and start driving it around. So I think in the near future we can expect this car to be launched by Hyundai, and it looks fabulous. Look at that beauty. Especially this glass section over here. It's like, see-through, which is an amazing, because I've never seen a boot like that, bro. This is amazing. So that's about Ioniq and how it works, how the hybrid works. This is how the whole internals of it is. So if you want to have a look at it, these are the internals, how it works. Let me bring it a little closer. And this is how the car is from the front. This is the high voltage junction box. This is a high voltage junction box which produces the electricity to run the car. This is the EPCU, which is electric power control unit, and because of this the whole car is running. So again, the gear, the acceleration unit, onboard charge, and from the back I'll show you what's on the rear. The battery, first of all. This is the charging inlet, which will be like, it will not show like this, it will be like covered by the whole section where it will look like a normal fuel tank. When you open it, it will be the charging inlet here. And then the service plug, where all the servicing will happen with the high voltage battery, which is the most important critical part of the car. This is the relay for power assembly. Then this is the whole battery section. Now this battery can be made by anybody. For like Tesla, Panasonic makes it. So I don't know who's making it for Hyundai, but this is how it will be. So that was it. I think the Hyundai other cars are already in the market, and they have some special cars which are used in World Rally Championship. That's those cars, and this is how it looks like. I mean, obviously we don't see that on the road, but this is one car that you want to look at. Look at the ground clearance, look at those alloys, look at those sportiness of the cars. I mean, this is a beauty. Again, if you are into rally, if you're into WRC, you want to have a look at it for sure. And this is based on an i20. This is an i20 Rally Edition, or what do you call the WRC Edition, and that's the other one over there. Two beautiful cars over here for rally enthusiasts or performance enthusiasts, and some over there which is like a Hyundai Kona car. And if you want to play games, Hyundai is taking it on the level. The adrenaline rush is hitting you with those seats right there, and then some activities for people. So that's about it from the Hyundai booth at the Auto Expo. And let's move on to other booths, and I think I'll end this video here, otherwise it'll get too long. So thank you for watching. Again, if you like the video, please like it, share it, spread it across. And again, I like to thank Nokia for this technology, because Bothie is letting me show you what I'm saying, and also you can watch me while I'm talking. Bye.